Direct payments are a win-win because as soon as somebody is offered a direct payment, it's a direct saving, and it might be 100% saving for the local authority. Because if the local authority puts support in, their on costs might bring the total package up to £25 or even £45 an hour. Whereas as soon as you give somebody a direct payment, that £25 an hour comes down to, in the case of Gwynedd where I live, £11.75 an hour, I think. So you've got an immediate saving. You've also got all sorts of underlying administrative savings because you're handing over the administration to the individual with support from the support organisation that also has to be funded. So that sort of brings the two figures slightly closer together. But it's a win-win.